Discover a world of creativity and innovation with ChatGPT Book for Beginners. Book 2, Trinity Prompt Kits. Craft captivating landing pages, create and revolutionize your masterclasses, and boost opt-ins with stunning AI-generated lead magnets. Unleash the power of artificial intelligence to take your marketing strategies to new heights. Dive into a realm of endless possibilities with ChatGPT Book for Beginners. Book 2, Trinity Prompt Kits. Unlock your imagination as you explore the art of crafting compelling landing pages, designing groundbreaking masterclasses, and leveraging AI-generated lead magnets to captivate your audience. Elevate your marketing game with ChatGPT Book for Beginners. Book 2, Trinity Prompt Kits. Master the art of creating irresistible landing pages that leave a lasting impression on visitors while leveraging AI-generated lead magnets to skyrocket your opt-ins.